Unlike many mythical creatures, this next one is a fairly modern one. It started in 1995 in Puerto Rico, when 8 perfectly healthy sheep were found dead at a farm. In the months that followed, nearly 1,000 mysterious animal deaths had been reported in the area of Canovanas. They all reported the dead animals had puncture wounds and all the blood had been drained from their bodies. They had no idea what animal was responsible, but since it seemed to favour killing goats, they called it chupacabra, Spanish for goat sucker. Before long, the chupacabra was apparently being spotted and was described as a thick-set creature with long claws, around the size of a small bear, with some saying it had a row of spines from its neck to the end of its tail. For 5 years, there were regular reports of the same unusual attack on animals, but now it was not just in Puerto Rico, but also in Mexico, Chile, Nicaragua, Argentina, and Florida. Many interesting pictures and videos started to surface, but one of the most compelling pieces was by Mrs. Canyon, who lived on a ranch in Texas, that she said was being targeted by the chupacabra, as many of her chickens were being killed and drained entirely of blood. It was in 2007 when she found an unknown creature on the side of the road not far from her ranch. She froze its head for research purposes, and it was thought to have been the first real proof of a chupacabra. Tests were done, and although they were not 100% on what exactly it was, the test showed that it was likely a coyote and Mexican wolf mix, but Canyon is confident it's a chupacabra and that it's responsible for killing her chickens. It's clear that something has been killing animals and seemingly draining their blood, so what could it be? Some say it was a top secret US government genetics test gone wrong, producing this out of control mutant breed, but scientists studied many dead animal carcasses and were convinced they had been attacked by dogs, coyotes, or raccoons that had been infected with a disease such as mangy that caused hair loss and an unusual appearance. What do you think? Is the chupacabra an undiscovered blood-sucking animal, or is there another explanation for the sightings and attacks? So that's